Alright, this is a quick review of Lenovo ThinkPad T14s. The complete specification is found in the description of this video. So I will only show you what I really love on these machines, these working stations. So at first it's this LED diode. I really love it. As you can see, it really works, it lights. Although it is a working station and you probably know these machines which had the design of some kind of brick. So it's not this time, this is a much sexier, much thinner, and you will see the edges are not so straight, which makes it really sexy. It's kind of modern stuff, so it doesn't look so conservative, but still for conservative people it still looks like a pretty expensive workstation. When we take a look inside, no, you cannot open it by your one hand, you have to use two hands. What I do not like is the display. These displays are 400, I think 400, maybe 450 nits, IPS, anti-reflection, so this you don't want to take this one out on the sunny day because you will see nothing. So this is for the office only. What I really appreciate are here these two dedicated buttons for mouse, because it's much easier to drag and drop using this left button and moving around the touchpad instead of typical pushing here and moving your second finger like this, and still be careful to not to stop pushing it here. So it's much more difficult to do this than this. This is much more comfortable and I really love it. I really love these dedicated buttons. The next thing what I really love on Lenovo's, that's about our Lenovo's, is that you can turn on the keyboard backlight using FN and space, which is much more convenient to find, for example in darkness, instead of usual combinations which you can see on other laptops, which is like FN F4, FN F7 and I don't know what. You cannot find it in the dark, so you have to try what is this one or is this one, and then you will mute it. So this combination FN space is much more convenient to find in the darkness to light up the backlight of keyboard. The next thing I like on this machine is that even this is 14-inch MacBook, sorry. No, this is not MacBook, this is much better than MacBook, sorry. Even it's 14-inch laptop, you can find that all these F keys are divided by 4s. So you can see F1 to F4 are grouped together, F5 to F8 is grouped together, and there are spaces between these 4s. So it's much more easier in the dark to find which one is the correct one you want to press. Next thing I really like is that home and insert and delete has its own dedicated button. It's only 14-inch laptop and it still has all the keys from the complete keyboard. What I like more is this one, 2 lines enter, so you cannot miss while tapping quickly. Next thing I really love is that even page up and page down has its own dedicated button, so you don't have to use these stupid combinations like FN arrow up, FN arrow down or FN left. If you want to edit some text or coding, you really need to have a quick access to buttons like home and control home and control end to get to the top or to the end of the whole text file. So you really don't want to press Control FN and arrow down to get the control and combination, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure if you know what I mean, but programmers will agree, I think, with me, or coders. So I really love that all these buttons are dedicated to each button and you don't have to use these stupid combinations like Control FN and something. So what about connectivity? Let's take a look. This one is pretty good. I miss RG45, but never mind. This one has 2 USB-A, and on the other side it has 2 USB-Cs, the HDMI and 3.5 audio and SIM card slot, which is by the way 5G, not 4G but 5G SIM card compatible, so you will get really fast internet. So it has a Ryzen AI which should at least, as the seller says, over 20 hours, and its power is somewhere like 11th generation of H processors from Intel. So I'm not too much familiar with AMD processors. This is one of my first, so I will make some tests of the performance. So this is it. I really like it. It looks pretty solid. It doesn't keep fingerprints, obviously. It has a special finish. I like it. Oh, slides too? No, it doesn't. So let me know what you think about this machine in the comments, and remember, I will put the description of this model in the description, or the specification of this model. And if you like this video, so please give me a subscribe and let me know if you like more of these quick videos.